Hey there, this is your last Baggling video. What you've got so far should look something like this. You should have two in one hand. You should have columns that go straight up and down. And the cascade, that's the one that crosses under. You start with the hand that has two and make X's. And you should have reverse cascade, the one that goes over the top. Now you can put them all together. And the key is not to stop. To do two in one hand for a while, and then do two in the other hand for a while. To do columns for a while, and without stopping, transition to cascade. And then without stopping, transition to the reverse cascade. It's those transitions that you got to work on now, so that you can go from one move to another without stopping. If you can do all of that, and you can do 10 throws in each of those moves without stopping or dropping, you're ready to move on to heavier objects. And I'll give you the instructions next for heavier objects. In this case, we're going to make our own out of socks. So go get those socks that are just lying around, the empty ones that ones that don't have matching pairs. And I know you have some. I had a whole bunch. And just choose the ones that have the toes still working. You can't have holes in the toes because we're going to put grain into the socks. So go get the socks and get either some rice or some beans, not cooked, dry. You could even use pebbles, but you got to have something heavy because it'd have to sink into your hand when you throw it and when you catch it. So come back and see me in a while and I'll give you another video. Thanks.